Hey guys, I'm about to show you a food shop that's been delivered. So yeah, that is what this video is, a weekly food shop. We got this from Asda. Ben also had to go to Lidl, but I'll tell you about that afterwards. So if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the Asdas. Okay, so food shopping has just arrived. It's Asda. I can't remember how much it is. I'll put it on the screen. I want to say like 60s, 60 quid-ish. Ben is in there with Fox. Fox is poorly and he's crying, so that's what you can hear, but he's with his daddy. I've got 2 lots of cherries and berries squash and 2 lots of orange and pineapple. And I got this one as well, which I thought looked yummy. White peach and grape. I've got a big butternut squash because I'm either going to make vegan mac and cheese or a soup or both. I'm not sure yet. Got a big thing of tomatoes, spice mixed peppers. Ben wanted these because Ben works from home now, and we used to make big pastas for him like every Monday, and then he'd have it through the week. But he works from home now, so he ends up having lots of sandwiches and stuff, and he wants to start having pastas again, so that is for his pasta. I got the McCain jackets. I got the big bag today of 8 of them. They're really handy for lunches. Some green beans and some peas. Got some chopped spinach because I saw a TikTok recipe of an Alfredo with chopped spinach in it, which looked yummy. Got Ari her vegan sausage rolls. Are they vegan or just veggie? I don't know what they are. No, I think they're vegan. I got Foxy 2 lots of his little waffles. He has one of these every morning. I got 4 pizza dough balls. They're frozen. Some beans. 2 lots of tomato puree. I got these 2. I never buy packet sauces, but I thought I would give them a go just for ease on the occasional evening. I got these. I thought they looked interesting. Never had them before. Just something for me to try. 1 can of corn, 1 can of pineapple. I wanted the Maggi 3-minute curry noodles, but they didn't have the big multi-pack that I usually get, so I just got 1 of these. And we'll see if these taste as good. Big bag of the mini snack packets of pretzels, salted caramel pretzels, normal pretzels, and pretzel sticks. The kids have decided it's their favourite snack at the moment, and I really like them, so we've got lots. 2 lots of chili con carne. I'm actually making a chili at the moment. I got a bloody cat. Gary! That is Biscoff spread. That was Foxy's breakfast that he now can't eat. Little bugger. Naughty Gary. I got a rainbow protein flapjack, which might be nice, might be gross. And I got myself 2 of these salted caramel full bars. These are so yummy, it's ridiculous. A big iceberg mozzarella, cauliflower for buffalo wings, broccoli for Fox, and also for my broccoli pea pasta that I make. Some sausage balls for making a Fox. 2 lots of Parmesan-esque cheese. 3 lots of a little watermelon. I saw, again it's another TikTok, I saw a TikTok of a watermelon, cucumber and jalapeno salad, which looks delicious. So rather than buy a massive watermelon and get it wasted, I thought I'd just do this. So that's like, they're free for £1, so that'll do. I got this, which I'm going to have for my breakfast, I think, because that looks delicious. I love rice pudding. I've never seen one of these before, so I will try that. Got the kids 2 lots of yogurts, some Baby Bells, a big cheese, 4 of my white chocolate Quark things, another pizza dough, 2 cucumbers, some sprung onions, and 2 big milks. And that is our food shop for the week. Ben did have to go to Lidl last night, but I'm going to put this away and then we'll have a chat about the meal plan, and I'll tell you what we got from Lidl as well. Right, so you've just seen the shopping. That was this morning. It's now like 6:15 at night. So yeah, Ben also went to Lidl last night just because there was a few things. I did the Asda order last night and there was a few things I couldn't get. So he got lean mince from Lidl. He got a whole chicken. He got me some protein puddings, which I absolutely love. They're so yummy. That one that I said I was going to have for my breakfast, the Muller one, was crap. 100% do not recommend. Can you not find it, babe?
No.
It's in Mummy's room.
I looked in your room, but I can't find it.
I'm trying to find a mystery box. Okay, we'll go and look for that in a minute. What else did Daddy get from Lidl last night? Some wafer thin chicken, some mini rolls because it was the girls. Calm down. The girls celebrated the Queen's Jubilee today at school because it's the last day of school tomorrow, so they had to dress to impress, and they had a picnic lunch which Mika had from school, but Ari doesn't like school picnic lunches, so she had to have home packed lunch, and we hadn't got anything in, so Ben had to get some stuff last night from Lidl for her, like some rolls, some strawberries. What else did Daddy get you? Some beanies, whirls, and some mini rolls.
There you go.
But yeah, the meal plan for the week. What do we have for dinner tonight, girls? Chili for dinner tonight. Tomorrow we're going to have some kind of pasta. Possibly, I want an Alfredo. I saw an Alfredo one with like chopped spinach in it, which was really good. But you'll probably have butter pasta, won't you?
Yeah.
She loves butter pasta.
With crispy onions.
With crispy onions. And then Saturday I've got whole chicken. I'm going to roast that, and we're going to have chicken wraps. Sunday we're going to have a freezer feast because we're trying to eat the freezer. Because we've got 2 freezers and we want to try and condense what we've got and sort of
eat the whole freezer.
Eat the entire freezer, that's the plan. Monday we're having risotto with the leftover chicken. Ari will have a vegan sausage roll because she doesn't like risotto. Tuesday we're going to have sketty, which everybody likes, and then Wednesday we use the leftover the bolognese and we turn it into Cajun mince, which is delicious, and it has sweet corn in it, but Ari doesn't have the sweet corn in hers.
I don't like sweet corn.
How can you? Sweet corn is just so yummy.
I love that.
I love sweet corn. So yeah, that was it. Thursday's currently weigh day. It is Thursday today. I just forgot this morning. I was in a bit of a blur this morning because it was they had a dress to impress, and they've been having to leave for school at 7:30 recently rather than our normal 8:30 because they're going to breakfast club, because the road towards the school is closed and it shuts at 8 o'clock, so we have to get them to breakfast club before, otherwise it takes us like half an hour, 40 minutes to do the trip, which normally takes us 5 minutes. So I just forgot this morning because someone got into my bed at 2 a.m. and wiggled for an hour, and then I eventually fell back to sleep at like, I think just before 5, and then her and Mika woke me up at 5:45, and they were fully dressed, ready for school because they were so excited at 6:05 in their fanciest, you're right there mate, just picking her nose, their fanciest clothes. So yeah, I just didn't even think this morning, so I'm going to weigh tomorrow. And I will upload this tomorrow, and I'll put the result of the weigh-in in the description box. It's like 30 days until we go to Mallorca, so I'm thinking like it's like a month, so I think if I can lose half a stone by then, that's obviously not my goal, but half a stone in 4 weeks, I'll be happy with that. So fingers crossed. Lunches, I've been having a lot of lentil soup, which is one of my favourites. I don't know if I've done a recipe for that. I'll probably film how to make that because it's so good. It's really low calorie and really filling. And my crispy noodle packets that I absolutely love, I'll do a video for those as well. But yeah, soups for lunch, and then breakfast I've mainly been having the, I think it's Protein World Slender Blend.
Hello, what
Poor Gary. Poor Gary. He's so tolerant, it's ridiculous, and like they drag him around like he's a doll, poor Gary. But yeah, that was the food shop. Thanks for watching, and I love you, bye.